for video, we're going to be replacing this. So you see the red part right here? We're going to be replacing that with this. So basically here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my screwdriver, and you want to be extremely careful while unscrewing these, because these are very expensive. So just like go like one by one. Just hopefully not taking too much time. And then if they get to a point, like, see this one, I can just unscrew it by hand. So I'm just gonna do is just to save time. So now what you see here is just gonna come off. So you take that off, put it right next to you. So then see, this is what it looks like. And then obviously it's different design. And then there's just gonna be this like cork gasket. You're gonna want to take that off. Then you just want to place it like on the frame of this.
Of the tail light.
Of the tail light. And then just place this.
The taillight lens.
The taillight lens on top of that. And then just place it like this. Try not to move it so much, but here we go. And then you just place this on. And then just gotta put the screw in. And just like wiggle it around.
Line them up at the holes.
And then just start it with your finger. See, this one was hard because you have to like get them in perfect angles. And then see, I got it in there. So now got it in there. See, what I did just to save time, I just did it with my hands because it's much faster. What you want to do, but since it's lower down, but if it's taller, you just want to put your finger so it doesn't wobble around and then you get it crooked. And then you just do the other one, like just put your finger there just in case anyway. And then twist it. Okay, that's good.
Don't overdo it. There you go.
And then here you go. So this is what this is what it used to look like that. And then this is what it looks like now. Alright, so thanks for watching. Make sure to tune in for next video and subscribe, turn on the post notifications, turn on that bell icon so you never miss another video, and peace out.